During this short movie we would like to explain why, at ELCO, we utilize a low water content concept for a fast and flexible performance of our boilers. Nowadays, heating systems in commercial buildings are becoming more and more complicated. This is due to integration of multiple heat sources, like solar, heat pumps and CHP units, but also because there's more focus on having an efficient heat distribution in the building. This complexity requires proper hydraulic balancing, best done with a low-loss header or buffer, but also demands a certain flexibility and reaction time from the heat sources used. Here is a fun way to help comparing ELCO boilers to high water content boilers. High water content boilers are far bigger, slower to react and very inflexible to the changing demands of a heating system. They are the whales of the heating world. ELCO low water content boilers, on the other hand, are fast, furious and respond rapidly to changing circumstances, even in complex installations when being combined with other heat sources. So what does this mean in terms of numbers? The time needed to get a high water content boiler from cold condition to standby temperature is 280 seconds. A comparable ELCO low water content boiler needs just 30 seconds. If this was a race, you can see who is going to win. Another important aspect can be found in the analysis of mechanical stress occurring in the heat exchanger. A high water content boiler has a heat exchanger which is casted or welded into one section. The temperature differences in the heat exchanger material are quite high, and the casting or welding does not allow the stress to go anywhere. This mechanical stress can eventually lead to heat exchanger damage. On the contrary, our low water content boiler design allows our heat exchangers to be mechanically decoupled, using flexible seals and gaskets. The heat exchanger tubes are mounted in O-ring seals, allowing them to move or expand under influence of temperature changes. Additionally, several sections are mounted together with gasket connections. This ensures less temperature difference in one section, avoiding mechanical stress even at higher delta T operation. Looking at boiler installation, low water content boilers have the advantage of being very compact and light. This makes it easier to bring them into the boiler room, install and connect. The total installation time can therefore be reduced by more than 50% compared to high water content boilers. But that's not all. There are also major savings to be made on the total energy cost over the lifetime of a boiler. When considering the total amount of gas consumption for initial running, startup and standby operation, as well as electrical consumption for boiler and pump, the difference is huge. When considering average European energy costs, we have calculated that an 800 kW ELCO low water content boiler will save €50,000 over a 20-year lifespan, when being compared to a similar size high water content boiler available in the market. We believe that's a lot, so imagine the potential on heating systems with even higher outputs. Let's conclude. Better system adaptation, lower mechanical stress and less energy and installation cost. Those are the key reasons why ELCO uses low water content technology in their boilers. If you would like to learn more about the ELCO product philosophy, also take a look at our other videos.